I'm taking ibuprofen. Not the monster. I don't like the way it makes me feel. Right now it's hurting right here because
The Colorado River. Sierra, is this Colorado River? Yeah. You see that?
Yeah, it's South Africa.
Fun fact. Colorado.
On the
Cruzy
boat.
said he saw turkey vultures. Is that a turkey vulture, Cruzy?
I think so.
Okay, right there.
yeah.
Okay, right there.
There it is. I can see it.
OMG. Cruzy, you're so good. He loves birds.
He popped it, yeah?
He loves birds. He's we always go bird watching. Hey, look at it over here, guy. Turn your head.
Look, a rabbit! Look!
Where?
Oh, right there! Like, oh,
Oh yeah,
you see it, Cruz?
He's not scared. He's right only right there. You can get him.
Look, Eris, you see it?
I see it.
I
A
don't
little
see.
bit closer.
Right here, look at mommy's camera.
I know. I see it.
Eris, you should open this
Look,
way.
he's looking at the
Is
rabbit.
that jackrabbit?
What is this called?
Turkey vulture.
These are turkey vultures, Cruz said.
Sure, Cruz. I'm gonna Google it.
How? You don't need to Google it. They're literally right there.
They're literally right there.
Oh.
I cannot believe, Cruz, you saw the turkey vultures.
Damn.
I cannot believe he saw it.
Hey, could we go back? I'll show you the multiple.
Oh,
When
you
you
know
come
what?
back-
They do look like turkey, yeah?
Yeah.
Cruz, you're so smart.
Hey,
Mm.
Papa Doggo,
Yeah.
cool.
He's like, sup, cuz.
Take a picture of me.
Oh, I try
my
way
God,
better.
that's his
Me
bag.
do
Look,
your way to
look,
do it.
Cruz, they're doing the
He's showing his wingspan.
I want to
he
show
knows
my
he's on camera.
wingspan
He
too.
knows.
I know, he's acting right now. He's like, what?
What's up?
He says, sup, you fuckers.
Yeah, you guys like come Vegas? Yeah, come here, come
He's like, yeah, sup,
You
boo.
guys like come Arizona too?
What do you mean? Oh, I thought you mean the ducks.
Boy, never had this. But look, you don't have the ducks, just picture of the river. Did you guys want to do any picture taking there? Are you guys cool? Eris, you want me to take a picture of
No, we're okay. I don't know. Cruz said he wanted to swim, but I don't know.
You want to swim with Cruz?
Yeah, he was talking about, yes, son. This is not the
Papa
same.
Doggo, could you
We're gonna
go.
go, Cruz. Calm down, babe. We're gonna go, okay?
Yeah, we're going down. We're going back
Go-
down.
go to
Dog.
You hear
I thought it was a rabbit. A big ass rabbit. Look at them.
Oh, there's something. Hi, doggy.
See?
Look at the ducks. No more his shorts gone.
and his
Hey,
hand.
look, this is where we can fish. See, if you go on top there, you can fish.
Oh, you guys want to get out and take a picture?
That's what I'm saying.
No, then
Yeah, I'm cool. But you guys,
Right, no, right here, because this is a good spot to take a picture.
Papa Doggo, could slow down?
Cute.
Wait, what is that noise?
It's a bird.
Is that a goose flying? Oh, is that a duck? I think that's a good duck. There's fish over there. That's right here. How long is much right there? Or is that big fish?
A Loch Ness monster. Cruz said there's a Loch Ness monster. Where is it? There was like a bigger fish.
Yeah. Where? You see one?
Right across here that it was swimming. Where did it go?
Mommy, it's from that way, Mama. Yeah.
I caught the bass. And my friends
you
were like,
guys
how the
eat
fuck
it?
did you catch a bass? And we can't even catch. We live here for a long time. And I was like, gotta use the kind.
Huh?
Oh my god, yeah, it's really cold.
It's
You
not that
feel how cold it is.
cold.
It's cold. That's the one I could.
Hi, Snake.
Watch out, you. Cruz is gonna want to try and grab it. Cruzzy, go by Papa Doggo. I'm gonna.
Oh my god, look at that one. That one's huge. I think that's a fully grown.
That one is big.
I think that's the adult.
Hey, they all came, Cruz. They wanted to say hi to you.
Ooh.
Oh, they left. 'Cause you guys went in.
Oh, look at that.
That's why they got scared.
The guy goes, fuck, come on, again.
Look at now the trout. See, hey, see Zara, you can catch trout. Barbecue right there and then. You know what is good is like you put lemon, mayo, salt a little bit, put foil and barbecue it. Yes, the trout. That's how Ken used to do it.
I take a filet fish from McDonald's.
Huh?
I take a filet fish from
No,
McDonald's.
the trout is good. The trout is good.
That's to eat.
Look!
Look at how.
Look, they're not any trout. They're rainbow trout. Look, they're rainbow trout.
Those are rainbow trout?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can see the pink. I can see the.
Look
See,
right here.
Look at that.
see
I
that?
was just
See,
there.
I told you they're rainbow trout.
I was just there.
Yeah.
I know.
Baby, did it or not? Right there.
I'm just saying.
The water
Well, you
is
were-
a little bit-
We
I
saw
was just
you.
there, yeah, I know.
See, I told you they're rainbow
Okay.
trout.
You see the trouts, the way they like to eat?
Ooh,
They're-
like whipping, yeah.
Yeah, like you know, like you have to.
If
You see how the boat?
throw bread in there?
You
they'll
can. Carp. Where's the carp? Then you were saying, and you lie, and then
come? Oh, look, tilapia.
Catfish,
Put on snow.
Right.
sucker, largemouth
Striped
bass.
bass. That's the one. You see that large? Cruz, you see that large mouth bass? I caught one.
What?
That's fine. You don't have to, but that's fine. Hold on, let me curse.
Which ones? These ones? We'll get. Which ones do you want to get?
I want to get this, but I don't know if it moves or not.
Oh, okay. No, it doesn't move, baby. It's just Legos. You need to go. You need to go shishu potty. And this one, who's this for? This one's. These are for Bubba and Boom Boom. Ears, right? Exit only. Oh, is that the bus?
Yeah, the shuttle.
Line starts here. Loading zone. Oh, I think that's the drop off. What's that side? What did we get? Willow pie. Oh, that's cool.
Grand Canyon Hall.
Where do we go?
So you go down to the bend to a bus line.
Oh,
And
okay.
the shuttle will pick you up and take you to Viewing Point.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hi.
I wonder how long is the drive out?
Which one? It don't matter.
Okay. You good, baby? Here, spread it, Ma. Spread a, Ma, spread a window like this. Spread. Psst, psst.
Mama,
No, right here, because he's gonna lean on this.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Go ahead, spray it, babe. Just don't spray the lady in front of you. Spray the window. Not the lady in front of you. He's like,
They won't stop.
There's a stop sign, son.
He's like, no, let's keep going.
Like, why do we stop? There's a stop sign. Oh, okay. Go ahead, son. Go, baby. Go with him to the front. Slowly, Cruzy. Stay by me, Cruzy. Let's wait for Mama and Papa.
Now they out now. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, dang.
There you go.
Oh my God. Be careful, the snakes around here somewhere.
Is there?
Yeah, look inside.
Oh my goodness.
Mama won't come to play with the snakes around here.
Look, Papa Dog was like, oh my God. Hold Mama's hand, Cruzy. Cruzito, hold Mama's hand. Okay, hold Papa's hand.
Oh my God, that's cool. Oh my God. Hey, you guys want to go? I want to take a picture. Don't go. There you go. Come over here.
Dude, this video is not doing it justice.
You guys boys first.
Are those crows, baby? Okay, I want to go on that side. That side looks cool. It does say Eagle Point. This is Eagle Point. Where's Mama? Oh, see. Caution near fracture and edge.
I can see the bottom.
You can, baby?
Yeah, I can see. You have to lean forward. See, you can see the bottom.
Put your penny in.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, now you start. You push it in. Okay, now crank it. The other way, son. Oh, which way do you do?
No. I can do this way. Oh, yeah, it's getting tight.
Is it?
Yes. Oh, no.
It's already in there.
Man.
He said, "Oh man, how did it come
I
out?"
got this.
Oh, cool.
Lucky.
Look, Chris.
Look.
What is
He
that?
drops
penny?
it.
Look. Wait, where did you get that from?
Over there.
Okay, so you have to put it which one you want first. Was that in your bowls? So you can choose what design. There's different.
You want
So
that?
choose which one you want first before you put the money.
Choose this.
No, Cruzy, let him do his own and you can do your own. You did your own. Yeah. Go on and start cranking it.
Roll in, but be careful, it gets tighter.
Yeah. Give him space, Cruzy. Remember when Uncle Jason was doing this at the circus? He never pushed it in. That was fast. Let me see, how is it?
What you got? What you got, Cruz, and what you got?
I got this.
Oh, did we get the same one?
Oh, yeah.
Did you guys get the same one? No, his one is different.
Hey, Flo, is that the penny? Because I did that before. Is that really the penny that we
Yeah,
want?
because I picked the shiny one,
And
yeah.
it doesn't have the date and stuff like that.
Oh, it
It's already
smashes it.
done. Oh, okay. I was just wondering.
Because I gave them the two shiny ones.
Oh.
Look, there's a squirrel. Look, zebra-tailed lizard.
That's a zebra tail. Hey, it is a zebra tail lizard. Cruzy, you're so smart.
And then what's
It's
this?
a duck.
Wait, what type?
It says wood duck.
Wood duck.
See, that's the bottom.
And it is a quail.
Yeah, that's a quail. Good job, babe.
Look, that's tortoise. Tortoise. I think that's a beaver. I think. Oh, no.
Hi, baby. Oh, this is the sweat lodge.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna take a picture of me.
Pour water in there.
That is crows. That's why I wanted him to wear shoes. No, it's a lizard.
Oh, am I?
What kind of lizard is that, babe?
I told you it's called a long-tailed bush lizard.
It's a brush lizard.
No, it's called a long-tailed bush lizard.
Why does its tail look small then?
I don't know why they call it that for.
Yeah, look, there's a hole right there. I bet there's a snake pit.
Really? The hose?
Look, there's our tour bus leaving us, guys. There goes our tour bus. All right, let's see. Is there snakes in here?
When you throw the
Okay,
big snake in
that's
there.
where the snake is.
So they built this thing? That's crazy.
Well, that's how they lived before, Baba. That's how they.
Good morning. No, thank you. I'm okay.
Give him no?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, cool.
Mama,
Shh, she's spilling. I know, son. I see it. I gotta get my stuff ready. Go. Go ahead. Look, everybody's going right now. It's in your pocket. Yeah, I took him. I got oh, she's waving. Is that an eagle? Oh no, it's a crow.
Yeah, there's crows.
There's a lot of crows, huh?
Yeah, some eagles.
Oh, this thing is
What is it?
sorry. They used to pull the whatever one, and there was the cable.
Oh, it goes across from the mine.
You see that? That thing goes all the way to you.
Damaged by an Air Force tail and never repaired. Do not cross. There's a picnic table here.
That was the bridge.
Oh yeah, that's cool. See, I knew it. It's like an arch. Because look at how huge it is.
Godzilla.
Why does it look like a castle?
Gotta be careful
The way
when
that
those
they
rocks
designed it.
forward.
I won't, honey. You totally jinxed me. I probably will now. Yo, dog, pull up next to this Ferrari and ask me if you like race right now. Is it a Corvette? Oh, it's a Maserati.
Oh my God! Look at that face back there. That looks like a face. It looks like a beaver. Right there, right behind the car. You see?
Oh,
Yeah, it
yeah.
looks like a beaver face.
Yeah. It switched over already.
No, it never did. Because it left over there since we were going to arrive by the
So Arizona is behind.
Just stop messing with that, please.
The power panel.
Where, Mama?
But that's the
Where did it go? There was a big lizard running right here.
7.
Oh, it went in the hole. It was really big.
Oh my God.
There was a big lizard that just ran across right here.
How big is it?
Oh my God. This air is killing me. Seriously.
It got stronger now.
Is there big fish? No more.
Yeah, the Loch Ness monster. Hey, look, something fell over there. Look, right straight across. Something
Like a
collapsed.
cement, yeah. Here you go. You have to read the history of this place.
Do you know how much people died making this thing?
Yeah. Like hundreds.
Yeah, so many people died making this.
This was like in the depression. You remember that year of depression?
You
Remember?
okay, baby?
Because nobody had jobs
It's
yet.
hot, Joe.
So then they said, you know what, we're going
There's
to do
the-
Hoover Dam. So everybody from different places came over here to work.
Where's the? Oh, there's the Arizona sign.
But yeah, that's how bad it got, the water, the drought. It's bad.
Is it used to be blue?
They said,
Yeah.
They said
It was
20
like-
more years,
What?
and that's going to be like a skater park. No more water.
Sad though, yeah.
Look at, see, you can see. Wait, I'm gonna roll down the window. You can see how low the water is.
It is nothing.
Yeah, it's really low. I remember when I was little, we came here, and the water was high.
And then you can see have white walks and have red walks. That's the water used to be.
Yes, you can see the color. The water used to be all the way up.
Very well.
Mom, I listen to the girl.
Because I only said it once and you got it. Right, you know these people are frying right now.
It's big, like another world. You know, like, wow, it's crazy.
That should be like a big hole then.
Uh-huh. Like